You may come across a situation in which you need to create that long dotted line in a document between right-aligned and left-aligned text, for example, in a piano recital program. In this video, we'll talk about an incredibly simple way to do this without hitting the period key dozens of times. This is the beginning of a program for a piano recital. When it's done, we want to have the list of songs on the left side of the page and the list of performers on the right side, with a leader, or trail of dots, connecting each piece to its performer. It's tempting to just type a bunch of periods here and fake your way through, but there's a better way. We're going to insert a tab stop. A tab stop is a horizontal location on the page that the cursor will automatically jump to when we press tab on the keyboard. To insert a tab stop, first make sure the ruler is visible by ticking the ruler box in the View tab. The easiest way to insert a tab stop is by simply clicking on the ruler where we want the tab stop to be. By default, Word inserts a left-aligned tab stop, which looks like the letter L. If we press tab, it will bring our text to the tab stop. Notice how the tab stop aligns with the left side of the text. Let's change this into a right-aligned tab stop. Double-click on the tab stop to bring up the Tabs dialog box. Then choose Right and click OK. The tab stop has now changed into a right tab stop, which looks like a backwards L. It's called a right-aligned tab stop because the text aligns to the right of it. We can change the location of a tab stop by dragging it along the ruler. Now that we have our words in place, we want to add our dot leader. To do this, open the Tabs dialog box by double-clicking on the tab stop. As you can see, we have a few types of leaders to choose from. Let's choose the dot leader and click OK. Now that we have our tab stop in place, we can quickly write the rest of our program. We just type the name of the piece, press tab, then type the name of the performer. Notice that the performer names are all right-aligned to our tab stop. We've just learned how to insert and modify tab stops, as well as how to make dot leaders. Tab stops can be a little tricky to learn, but they're well worth the effort. They can make your work look sharp and well-aligned, and configuring dot leaders will save a lot of wear on your poor little period key.